Hello, hello, welcome back. Today I have a 10-minute leg finisher with a glider, so let's get to it. Let's get started today. All you need for this 10-minute leg finisher is either a paper plate or a gliding disc. And really you could get away without one, but we're gonna use it today, so surely you can find a paper plate. If not, go to your neighbors and get one, all right? I'm gonna throw the paper plate out though, because I'm gonna use the finisher gliding disc, all right? This is quick. We are not gonna rest. We are gonna work one side, one leg, and then the other leg through about 4 exercises. So it's gonna be intense, but we'll get through it. Let's get started here. I'm gonna put the gliding disc on my right foot. So let's start with the gliding disc or the paper plate on your right foot. We're gonna do a lateral lunge by going out with that leg, okay? Just sliding it out and back in together. Good. We're gonna stay right here. We're not gonna work very long because we're gonna follow it up with 3 other leg exercises using the disc. 3, 2, and 1. Good. All right, staggered stance squat here. Just keep that disc there because we'll get right back to it. I'm up on my back toes just a bit. I'm trying to put that weight into this left foot that's forward just slightly, okay? So really thinking about that leg, putting more of the weight on it so it's doing the brunt of the work. 3, 2, and 1. Touchdown lunges. I want you to slide back, touchdown if you can, all right? If not, just go halfway, but we're moving up and back. Good. Right leg is flowing back, working that left side. 3, 2, and 1. We have a curtsy lunge. We're gonna slide that right foot back behind, sort of, back behind. My gliding disc likes to stick to this mat on humid days. All right, back it up. You got it. With a little curtsy lunge. If that's hard with the gliding disc, if any of these are too hard with the gliding disc, just throw it out, okay? All right, that was it on that one. Now put that gliding disc on your left foot, moving right into the other side. No rest. The rest is that we're working the other side of our body here, our other leg, right? We're just gonna keep moving. 10 minutes of moving. 3, 2, and 1. Good. A staggered stance squat. All right, usually, sometimes we do it with both feet flat. I'm gonna come up on my toe because I really wanna push through this right leg today. I really wanna put that weight. I wanna load that right leg as much as I can. Good, feel it? 3, 2, and 1. Touchdown lunge. So slide that left foot back, touchdown, come up all the way to the top. Down and up, good. You got it. Good, good, good. 3, 2, 1. We have our curtsy. Behind, back up. Good. You got it. Again, if the gliding disc causes you fits, just put it down. You can step behind rather than slide behind, all right? 3, 2, and 1. You got it. Switch quickly. Like I said, our rest is that we're not working that side. I'm gonna actually go for a touchdown on this lateral lunge now that I'm feeling warm. If you want at home, sometimes I grab a little light dumbbell and I use a dumbbell for a touchdown here, okay? 3, 2, and 1. Good. Staggered stance squat. Weight on left leg. Pushing through. Putting that weight on that left leg. Up, down. You got it. Pump it out. Do what you can here. It's a quick turnover. We're not here very long. 3, 2, 1. Reverse lunge with a touchdown. All right. Slide back. Come up to the top. Good. Nice work. Thank you for joining me today. I'm trying to throw some shorter workouts out as life picks up and we get busier. Curtsy. Bring that sliding disc behind. Good. Or put it to the side and step behind. You got it. 8 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, good. We got to switch right into it. Here we go again. I'm going to touch down. Now I'm feeling warm and good here. Good. So let us know if you like the shorter version workouts here that I have. This one could be a quick workout that you fit in before or after cardio. All right, staggered stance, here we go. Weight in that right leg. Coming up on those back toes, because I really want to have my right leg do the majority of the work here for me. 8 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Touchdowns. Here we go. Slide back, touch, come to standing. Good. Again, this also, just put the sliding disc aside and go ahead and step back and up, all right? 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Woo. Feel that. Let's go. Curtsy. Slide it behind. Bring it back to the start. You got it. 6 seconds here. You're doing great. Hang on to it. 3, 2, and 1. Switch. Here we go. Touchdown. And again, if you want a light weight here, dumbbell touching down with a little bit of weight. 10 seconds. We got it. Great job. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Staggered stance. Here we go. We're squatting. Weight in that left leg. Pushing through in a squat. Good. So I'm not pushing my bottom back here in a kickstand. Good morning, RDL. All right, whatever you want to call it there. But for here, we want to be squatting. So bottom up, down, okay? Good. All right, here we go. Slide back, touch. Good. You got it. Eight seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Curtsy. Nice and pretty. Here we go. Behind. Good. 10 seconds. I want to talk all about my quote back here, but 20 seconds is not a lot of time for me to fit this all in. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Switch sides. Here we go. Touchdown. Slide that left foot out. See if you can get all the way to the ground. If not, no worries. Find your level. Find that spot that challenges you. It might just be using the gliding disc today, you know? Just learning how to slide out. 3, 2, and 1. Stagger stance squat. Here we go. Weight in that right leg. You got it. Pump it out. Up and down. Drop that bottom. We're not pushing back. All right, in that RDL, we want to be up and down. Squatting on that right leg. Good. 3, 2, 1. Touchdown. Here we go. Left hand outside or inside right foot. Here you go. Push back. Stand all the way to the top. You got it. All the way up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Curtsy behind. Anyways, back to the idea of this short video. It is a leg finisher. I typically use it after a total body conditioning day or a really tough leg day. We just finish with body weight here, moving through something like this. It's my icing on the cake. All right, here we go. Other side. Should be our last round. Touchdown with that lateral glide out here, okay? Good. You're doing great. We're getting close. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Staggered stance squat. Here we go. Up, down. Weight on that left leg. So I hope you like this. Again, use it at the end of a run or before a run just to get those legs pumped up, ready to go. At the end of an upper body workout, maybe you want to do an upper body focus, but you want a little leg in that day, this could be great. All right, touchdown and up, touch, all the way to standing. You got it. If you're not at the touchdown yet, that's okay. Just work it. You might even just barely come back and bend over, okay? That's fine. Just a little bend instead of all the way today. That's great. All right, curtsy behind and back to the center. Good. Back to the top. You got it. This is tough. We're just moving on through all of these. we're doing one side, we can rest that other side. All right, here we go. Touch and up. Push out to the side. Good. You got it. All the way down. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, staggered stance squat. That left foot is slightly back. I'd say mid right foot, you know, kind of the middle of the right foot, not too far back. So I feel like I'm squatting, but I'm kind of leaning into this right leg, taking the weight off the back so I can really push that right leg. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, touchdown and up. You got it. Good work. Hoping for some of you who are just needing that little blast here with your busy schedules, this works for you. All right, reverse into that curtsy. Good. Around the back. Again, remember, it's a gliding disc and you are fighting today. If it happens, just put it aside. Work on stepping back into that curtsy. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. That's it. That's your 10 minutes leg finisher. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you want to take it up a notch, grab a dumbbell. Touchdown. All of our touchdowns with a dumbbell, okay? Maybe you hold 2 dumbbells on the curtsies. You can take it up even further. For today, there are no traffic jams along the extra mile. All right, Roger Staubach, I mentioned that one with us going the extra mile with this finisher. I love finishers at the end of a workout or the end of a cardio session. Hopefully you enjoyed this too. Please ring our bell, give us a comment, and we'll see you next time.